Everybody needs a second room, a place to hide, a place to bloom. Mom has one, but don't say where. It's secret, like next week's dinner fare. My sister has a second too, a style quite different, it's red, not blue. She calls it home, the Rat Palace, lives with hammocks, tubes, and snacks she gives. One year we made the space for mine, cleared out Dad's old Zoom call shrine. He's got a second house, it's fair, so now I've got 4 walls and air. My second room has no light switch, just a glow I didn't pick. Overhead it hums too bright, it stays on day and night. It must mean something, I can't say which, but my second room has no light switch. I placed some screens from old Japan. They fold like waves, they stand not hang. A mountain scene, a paper crane, a wall that doesn't quite explain. There's no bed, just a desk and chair. A chalkboard waits with chalk to spare. No clicks, no off, just quiet beams. And maybe that's what silence means. My second room has no light switch, just a truth you learn but can't quite fix. Overhead the quiet burn like someone left it on, forgot to return. It feels like something soft and stitched in my second room with no light switch. One day I might ask why that is, or maybe I won't, it just exists. Some things you live with, some you ditch, like my second room with no light switch.